Hello, what's going on guys? Welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Facebook account creation date. But before we getting started, if you're new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. First of all, open Facebook. Now click on the three line and scroll all the way down and look for settings and privacy option. Now you need to click on settings. So after going to this option, you will be able to find access profile information, this option, right? So you need to click on that. Now scroll down and look for personal information. So you need to click on that. So here you can see your account creation date. Okay, it's showing that 21st December 2012. So yep, so this is how you can check your account creation date. Okay guys, so I hope you guys found this video helpful and understand how you can see your account creation date. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful and thank you so much for watching this video, and if you guys have any kind of question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.